How to create Gmail account. If you've ever wanted to create a Gmail account but didn't know where to start, don't worry, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the entire process of setting up a Gmail account step by step. First things first, open your Gmail app on your mobile device. You can also go to the Gmail website. After that, simply click on Add Account. Now, what you need to do is on the sign in page, you need to simply tap on create account. You can choose whether you want it for personal or work or business. I'm going to be choosing personal for this tutorial. Now what you need to do is simply enter your first name and last name. After that, simply click on next. Now here you need to enter your birth date and gender. This helps to personalize the experience. Enter the correct information and then click on next. Now, you'll need to enter the username. You can choose whatever you prefer, but it should be unique as somebody might have taken the name already. Google will suggest alternate option if the username you wrote has already been taken. After you've chosen your new email username, simply click on next. Create a password for your account. Make sure it's strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Google will show you the strength of your password as you type. After typing your password, simply click on next to confirm it. Next, Google will ask you for your phone number. While this step is optional, it's a great idea to add one for account recovery purposes. After your entering your phone number. Now it's time to read and accept Google Terms, privacy, and policy. Take a moment to read through them. And when you're ready, click on I agree and simply continue. And that's it. You've successfully created your Gmail account.